and this is Dhiman Goswami, or to state my full name, it's Dhiman Dev Goswami, and welcome to the Common Math. And this is the fourth part of this week's video discussions, you say, or this week's videos. And with me, I have Trump Chatterjee, my very good friend. He's a data scientist. If you have not seen the previous parts, then go click the link on the I link above. And if you have not seen them, then I would just give my friend the dais to introduce himself. Come on, Trambo.
Right. So, as Dhiman introduced, I'm a data scientist. So today we are going to discuss about the common mistakes, and this is the final part for the discussion of the common mistakes. So I'll hand it over to Dhiman to kind of elaborate on today's understanding and today's topic. So yeah, Dhiman, please go ahead.
Yeah. So the main topic here of discussion is the common mistakes we make in our careers. So the three pillars have been until now I have been talking. So there are four pillars. Out of them, the three are the survivorship bias. The first one was the survivorship bias, and then we had the swimmer's body fallacy, and then we talked about the authority bias, and then now the final one is when you chose your career, and right now within your career, to make big, you fall prey of this bias, and this is known as the confirmation bias. So I'll explain it in a very brief manner. So what is the confirmation bias is that, let's consider, you say you see something, you say that all women are intelligent. Okay, you say that. Okay, you state that, and then after that, what do you do to prove that? You take a set of people, inside that set, whom you are going to put Shakuntala Devi. Okay, you are going to put Indra Nooyi. Okay, and then many girls who have scored this much percent, that much percent, or let's say this choosing women is all boys. Let's say all boys are intelligent, and you take the set. Now this is the second example. When you say all boys are intelligent, so in the second example, what you're going to put, all boys having percentages above 90. So if I take a set only consisting students above 90, then in that set it suffices, right? That all boys are intelligent. But that's not the right fact, isn't it? Is it? So what's happened? Right, correct. So the confirmation bias is what? Is that you see something, and to prove yourself right, you are going to always take a very skewed set, so that to confirm what you are saying is true. Like, for example, this happens. Are you getting it?
Yeah, so it's something similar to having like a placebo effect, right? Where we say, say for example, if you're going to a college, the understanding is this college is very good, and you also personally believe that this college is very good. So you tend to say to everyone that, yeah, this college is excellent, this college has this facility, this, that. You don't tend to see the negatives at all, right? You are already having a placebo effect, correct, which is literally doing a confirmation bias from your end, right?
Yeah, see, placebo is more like, yes, placebo is like you are given. So see, placebo, let me just give it a web. It is a placebo effect or not, I won't say. I can't say it completely, but yeah, what you are saying, that the feel of it, because the college perspective also falls in the swimmer's body fallacy, because like only intelligent people are getting selected in Harvard. So of course Harvard is going to produce people who are doing exceptional stuff. because if you see the criteria for selection, fine. So, but confirmation bias is that notion is like let's say example of a company. So you take up a project, and in that project you have certain targets, and then in that project you say, okay, if we do things this way, then we are going to get this result. If you do things this way, we are going to get this result. And when you see that these results, when you see certain data points which is not giving the same result, you say that these are exceptions, right? These are outliers, and then you still put on effort to keep on proving that you are right, you are right, you are right, and not considering
Correct.
that I might be at fault. So, are you getting the point? I might
Yes.
be, instead of asking the question to oneself that why am I right, we never ask ourselves, am I wrong? We we tend to always we tend to always ask, why should I be right? Or you tend to answer, I am right. But we should also tend to ask yourself that okay, I might be wrong. So
Correct.
that's the more balanced approach towards approaching towards any problem solving you are doing. That's all what I have to say.
Right.
So
Okay, I
I
guess then that's it for this series, right? We can
yep,
conclude on our series with the different biases. So we did get a holistic understanding of all the biases and the common mistakes that we should avoid, right? And also an understanding of what those mistakes are. Correct.
yeah. So here's the four pillars. So you have the four parts. So watch them and then make your base on this to on if you are, and I can say it with full conviction that if you are aware of these four pillars, then no, there won't be any, you won't, this is going to help you a lot in taking decisions while picking a career or while doing a project or to lead your life also. So
Correct.
thank you for being with us this week, and see you next time.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a good time ahead.
Okay.